Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do another episode of unboxing. Yes, I'm happy and I'm so excited to be doing this because it is something that I love and it's something that is very exciting. Yeah, so I have here parcels that needs to be opened, and we'll do this one first. This bag here, I know what these are, but I haven't seen them in person, so this will be the first time, and I'm so excited. Let's get to it. This is very easy to open. Just do that. Oh my gosh. First box and second box. That's all. I only have 2 boxes in the bag. Oh, sorry, something fell. Oh, it's a certificate and the receipt. Let's put it back in the bag here. And which one do you want to open first? I'll go for the big one. Ooh. Let me take it out of the bag. Oh, this is such a beauty, I'm sure. I'm so sure. Oh, wow. Look guys, it's a necklace. It's a ruby necklace. Oh, this is my dream necklace. I have wanted this for so long, but it's a bit expensive, so I have to save up for it. And as I've said before, ruby is my birthstone, so anything ruby, I'm crazy about rubies. So anything about rubies, really. So this necklace is an African ruby and natural Cambodian zircon necklace. If you can see the ruby, guys, look at the quality of the rubies and the zircon. Oh, I hope it focuses. Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? It's a lovely necklace. I'm gonna try on. I'm wearing another ruby necklace there at the moment. So, oh, let's put my necklace at the back so you guys can see. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna stand up so you can see. Oh wow, I'm rich. I'm rich. It looks so expensive. I'm going to check if there are no missing stones. Alright, cool, so it's complete. So this necklace came with a certificate. Here, it says here. So this necklace has 30 African rubies and 103 natural Cambodian zircons around each ruby. There. All around it, and this is a gold-plated silver. It has 14 karat. I think it has 14 karat gold overlay. Imagine if this is real gold, it will cost a fortune. But thankfully, they do it in gold plated sterling silver, so it's much more affordable. And next one is, let's open the small box. They're always in a plastic. Wow, looks big. Is this my size? So it's a ring. Show you. There you go. Oh, why is it not focusing? There you go, guys. If you can see it clear, it's a diamond ring. So this ring is in sterling silver. It's 2-finger ring. There you go. Let's try it on my ring finger. There you go, guys. If you can see it, it looks like that on my finger. So sparkly. Oh, I love this. So there are 2 butterflies and 3 flowers here, encrusted with diamonds. Wow, these jewelries look so expensive, but you know what, guys? They are so affordable. They are real gemstones. They're genuine, but they're in affordable prices. Look at this. Look at this ring. Wow. Actually, you know what, guys? Actually, this ring reminds me of a very expensive one. The Van Cleef & Arpels. I think it's the Lotus ring. And I think I don't know if they got the idea of 2-finger on that ring as well, but yeah, it's lovely, it's nice. Let me take off my other rings so I can try it in 2 fingers. I'll put the big one on my middle finger because it's bigger. There we go. So this is what it looks like if you put it on 2 fingers. Oh my god, that's... Pardon my nails. I haven't done them in a while now, so... But at least they're clean. Yeah, so... Wow. Just wow. It's gorgeous. I don't want to take it off. Yeah, but I have to take it off for now because I'm just trying them. Oh, I look rich. I'm a rich woman now. So I took it off. I'm gonna put it back in the box. And we're gonna open the next one. Another jewelry. So I have 2 small pouch here, small black bags, and I'm gonna open this one first. So, ooh, can you see? Let's take it out from the bag. Guys, it's a ruby ring. Look at the stone, it's big. So this is an African ruby, and around it are natural composite and zircons, and this ring is in gold plated sterling silver. And yeah, and it has 15 stones in total, so 14 composite zircons and 1 5-carat African ruby, and the zircons are 1.50 something carat. Yeah, so let's try it on. So this is how it looks like on my finger. You know what, guys? Cambodian zircons are a great alternative to diamonds when it comes to fire and brilliance, because as you can see, the brilliance of the stones. So if you're looking for something cheaper, go for natural Cambodian zircons. I don't really mind as long as I have the ruby in the, you know, as the main stone. I'm happy with that. We're gonna open the last one. This one is really cute. It's a pair of earrings, and as usual, it has a hygiene label. So we're gonna open that. Let's take it out. I'm gonna take the 2 earrings out from the bag. So these earrings are sterling silver earrings, and the main stone, the one in the middle, is a Zambian emerald. It's classed as AA premium Zambian emerald with natural Cambodian zircons around it. Look at the emerald, guys. That. Oh, that's so cute. Love it. So I took it off and I'm gonna put my earring back. Yeah, and these emeralds are 0.50 carats, so each emerald stone is 0.25 carat. So that's in total of 0.50 carat for the 2. I really love these jewelries because you know they're genuine. They're not synthetic or they're not simulated. Yeah. So that's all the unboxing done. I will finish it for today. Thank you for unboxing again with me, and hope to see you soon. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye!